So, sabi nyo, you met after the walkout Tuesday. Pero sabi nyo, in a way, you kind of anticipated this, tama ho ba? Because ito po yung binigay na po sa inyo, isa-isa itong papel galing kay SP Alan na tinatawag ni Senator Erwin Tulfo na, I think yung ginamit niya pong salita ay pinamudmud during in plenary. Yun po yung kanyang ginamit na salita, which SP Alan was saying it's unparliamentary.
Yeah.
But anyway, sir, so when you, sabi nyo, napag-usapan nyo po ito, so you knew there could be this possibility that it would be taken up at plenary?
Yeah, only after we resumed session. Remember, we had a long suspension, no? Nag-recess kami to talk about the impeachment schedule, impeachment trial schedule, and other matters. After that, they referred to the office of SP Alan. Nag-caucus sila doon. And it took them hours before they came out to resume the session that afternoon.
Okay.
Late na kami nag-resume eh. Yun, upon resumption, nakaredy na yung mga papel na sabihin na natin, borrowing Senator Erwin's words, pinamudbod sa amin isa-isa. When we looked at the papers or the document, nakita namin, ito na nga yung amendments. So doon na kami nagduda. So we started counting. Ilan yung nasa floor, anong possibilities.
Yeah.
So ang usapan namin ni Senator Tito, sabi ko, mauna na ako. I-question ko muna yung propriety o yung regularity ng i-discuss ito based on our rules. Sabi niya, sige, mauna ka na and then we will start strategizing. Ang strategy, now I can share it with you. May fallback position kami because nung nagbilang kami na 11 sila, ang number 12 na maiwanan sa floor would be Tito Sen. Kung 12,
Yeah.
ang aming majority number to constitute a quorum is 13 or was 13 at that time, yes. And Senator Bato was not around. Wala rin Senator Chis. So 11, pang number 12 si Tito Sen. So clearly, unless ma-recall nila si Senator Chis at pumunta doon, then wala, no win situation. Catch 22 kami. Kasi ang fallback position ni Tito Sen would be implemented or executed. Meaning, nandun siya, magiging number 13 siya, so mayroong quorum. So he cannot question the quorum at saka hindi siya makapag-adjourn.
Got it.
So
Yeah.
what he would do was to vote in favor of the motion because under our rules, we have 2 session days to move for reconsideration. If you have voted in favor of a motion, then authorized ka under our rules within 2 session days na mag-move for reconsideration. If you
voted
against the motion, hindi ka makapag-move for reconsideration.
Yeah. Parang wala kang karapatan.
Parang fight another day kami.
Ah.
Kung nangyari yun, naging 13 sila, including Tito Sen, magboboto siya in favor.
Yeah, got it.
So on Monday, he would move for reconsideration, fight another day kami nun.